Load your family into the 2020 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front dual-zone air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and much more. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Come on in and take a test drive.